Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Zari McQueen, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys basically the new method that I've been using. I did not come up with this method. I definitely saw it a couple of times on YouTube, but it's one of my go-to, my favorites, my holy grail method. It's the SPRITZ method. I'll be showing you how I use the Pump It Up Gold Styling Spritz Spray by Bronner Brothers. It says instantly freezes hair in place, and honey, yes it does. I'll be showing you how I use this to basically install my closure units every single day. As you guys know, I'm team closure to the 100 power. I love a good closure, and closure units are really my go-to. They're super easy to maintain, to style, to wear. They're just all around just better than frontals. I feel like they're less high maintenance. Frontals I feel like are for special events, or if you're like a celebrity and you're in that spotlight, or you want that special look. That's what frontals are for, but closures are definitely, more everyday wear. And I take my units off at night. Some people sleep in their wigs, but I definitely do not. And using the Spritz, it allows you to wear it all day with that good all day hold, but also be able to take it off at night without damaging your real hair. And it's just quick and easy, and definitely something that you could do every day. It literally, this stuff, when you use the blow dryer, it'll take you no more than 10 minutes to get what you gotta do, get your look going. And yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys how I do this. So I will have a video featuring how I could do it on a frontal. That'll be in another video, but since I am team closures, I really just wanted to show you guys how I do it on a closure unit. I did mention on Snapchat I got a lot of questions, and I finally made a more in-depth video showing you step by step how you can use this Spritz to install your units. So yeah, you guys, the hair that I'm featuring in this video is from MsCoco. And hold on, hey MsCoco, hey y'all, I love this hair. I love the length and everything. So I will have the exact the texture down below, but I do know that I received a 20-inch closure, and then I received 3 bundles, 22, 24, and 26. And honestly, you guys, I was really surprised that this hair came out as full as it is, especially since I got longer lengths, and this is deep wave hair, with curly hair. And the longer the hair, the shorter the weft. So I really was not expecting it to look so good, but it came out perfect. The look that I'm going for, I honestly want it to be a little longer, but I think I would need 30 inches. Because I saw a picture of Ari, she's so cute. I saw her on Instagram, and she had really long curly hair, and I really love that look. I think it was a little not as full as this, so maybe I could tweak it a little more, but it kind of got the look that I'm going for. But yeah, this hair is super long. I love me some curly long hair. Yeah, the closure was a free parting closure. I went ahead and did my typical middle part, but what I do like about this closure was that it had enough density that whatever kind of part that you were going for, you would be able to do that. I did do some plucking, and I honestly feel like I should go ahead and do some more. I plucked the part. And yeah, I did not bleach my knots. I used my foundation. I've been really leaning towards that method of just putting my foundation on the lace because it's super fast and it's easier. And I feel like you can't really mess up putting foundation on the lace. So that's really a method that I've been leaning towards. I really just think that since wigs are for convenience, me doing the tweaking to it should be convenient too. So yeah, I really do like this hair. It did shed a little bit, but I think I can contribute that more so to me cutting my tracks, because when I did do the wig, I don't do flip over method anymore. It's 2018, girl. Cut them tracks, you bugging out. So yeah, I did cut the track, so that might be a little bit as to why it's shedding, but whatever, it's nothing too crazy. The only products in this hair, I did deep condition this hair, my typical method. If you don't know how I deep condition, make sure you check my description box. I will put the link. I microwave all my hair, y'all. If I do a deep condition, I'm microwaving that hair, okay? Or really hot water if it has metal combs in it and stuff. So yeah, I deep condition this hair using silicone mix. Everybody knows silicone mix is the holy grail. It smells so good. This hair smells so good, I ain't gonna lie. So right, so I deep condition with silicone mix, and then after that I let it air dry with my holy grail argan oil from Cream of Nature. I put a little bit of that on it just so that it didn't puff up. I didn't really want it to be puffy. I wanted more of this, you know, little sleek, kind of the wet look, kind of not really look going on. And I really love how it turned out. This hair smells super good, but when I did receive it, it did kind of have that little smell that, you know, your typical hair usually has. But once you deep condition it, girl, you do not have to worry about it. So this is definitely the hair after air drying. You know, I didn't blow dry it or anything. I just let it air dry with that argan oil, and this is how it looks. It's super pretty, super soft, and I really do like how defined these curls are. And I don't think I'm gonna like pick it out or anything like that. I really do love this hair. But without further ado, let's get into the video so I can show you how I do my spritz method. And if you have any questions, be sure to leave it down in the comments, and I will see you in my next video. So you're going to start off with cleaning off wherever you're applying your wig. Make sure that it's free from makeup or any type of oils on your skin. I use alcohol to wipe my forehead clean. And then you're going to spray the spritz right where you're going to be applying your unit. So as you can see, I'm spraying a little bit, and then I'm just using my finger to kind of spread it out so that it's not too much in one area. And then you're going to take your blow dryer on the cool setting and blow dry it until it's a bit tacky. And I continue to tap just so I could make sure it had that, you know, that consistency that I wanted. And you're just basically gonna apply your wig. You're gonna pull the lace and position it right on top of that spritz that you sprayed. This method is super easy. It really takes no time at all. And yeah, you're basically almost done. Once you feel like the lace is in place and sitting where you want it to, you're going to hold it down a little bit and then go back in with your blow dryer on the cool setting just to ensure that it's super tacky, that it cured basically. So now I'm just combing out a little bit of hair that I want to make my baby hairs. I've really been working on not making the baby hairs too thick. That's why I only took out minimal hair. And then I'm going to use this eyebrow spoolie to lay my baby hairs. I did see another YouTuber do this, and I was like, wow, that makes so much sense. And I really do like using this method now too, especially since the spoolie is super soft and I feel like it picks up all of the hair. And then as you can see, I sprayed a little bit more spritz, and that's really just to lay the baby hairs. You're not going to blow dry it again, but I find that using spritz to lay the baby hairs down really makes it last all day. Like, not only can you use this on the baby hairs, it lays your lace too. So it's like perfect. It's the perfect product, and I really do love this method. And yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it.